It's time to upgrade your space with the perfect wall clock. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best wall clocks, comparing design, readability, build quality, and value to help you choose the right one for your home or office. We have included links in the description. Number 1. 27-inch Real Moving Gears Large Wall Clock with Toughened Glass Cover, Giant Wood Farmhouse Clock, Oversized Vintage Industrial Rustic Clock for Living Room Decor Home Kitchen. The 27-inch Real Moving Gears Large Wall Clock is an eye-catching decorative timepiece that combines classic farmhouse charm with industrial-inspired design. It's best known for its oversized 27-inch frame, authentic moving gears, toughened glass cover, and vintage wood finish that instantly transforms an empty wall into a stylish focal point. In everyday use, the large clock face makes it easy to read the time from across spacious rooms, making it especially suitable for open-concept homes or areas with high ceilings. The realistic moving gears continuously rotate to create a premium decorative effect, giving the clock a handcrafted appearance that stands out from standard wall clocks. Its rustic farmhouse styling blends naturally with industrial, vintage, modern farmhouse, and transitional home decor. Although it's designed primarily as a decorative statement piece, it still delivers dependable everyday timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Buyers looking to add warmth, character, and visual interest to large wall spaces will appreciate its combination of size, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Overall, the 27-inch Real Moving Gears Large Wall Clock is an excellent choice for American homeowners seeking a stylish oversized wall clock that offers dependable performance while serving as a beautiful centerpiece for almost any room. Number 2. Oxyzed 14-inch Wall Clock, Silent Battery-Operated Analog Clock, Black Classroom, Office, Kitchen, Living Room, Garage, Shop, Large Size, Easy-to-Read Numbers. The Oxyzed 14-inch silent wall clock is a simple, reliable, and easy-to-read analog clock designed for everyday use in homes, offices, classrooms, garages, and workshops. It's best known for its silent non-ticking movement, large high-contrast numbers, lightweight construction, and clean black design that complements almost any decor. Instead of focusing on decorative features, this clock prioritizes accuracy, visibility, and quiet operation. In real-world use, the 14-inch face allows users to check the time quickly from across the room, making it ideal for classrooms, kitchens, offices, home workspaces, and living rooms. The silent sweep movement eliminates distracting ticking sounds, creating a quieter environment for working, studying, reading, sleeping, or relaxing. Battery-powered operation provides flexible placement without requiring electrical outlets, while the lightweight frame makes installation quick and straightforward. The bold black numbers stand out clearly against the white background, allowing excellent visibility for both children and older adults. Its durable design requires very little maintenance beyond occasional battery replacement, making it a dependable everyday wall clock for busy households or professional environments. Overall, the Oxyzed 14-inch silent wall clock is an excellent choice for American buyers who want an affordable, quiet, and dependable wall clock with excellent readability, accurate timekeeping, and a versatile design that works well in virtually any room. Number 3. Sharp 12-inch Atomic Wall Clock, Battery-Operated, Silver Brushed Finish, Self-Setting Atomic Time, Easy-Read Analog Face, Automatic Time Adjustment, Simple Setup, Battery-Operated, Home or Office. The Sharp 12-inch Atomic Wall Clock is designed for buyers who value precision, convenience, and dependable performance. It's best known for its self-setting atomic time technology, easy-to-read analog display, brushed silver finish, and automatic adjustment for daylight saving time. Unlike standard wall clocks that require occasional manual adjustments, this model synchronizes with the official atomic time signal, ensuring it stays accurate throughout the year with minimal effort. Its clean, modern design makes it suitable for homes, offices, classrooms, workshops, and other professional environments. In everyday use, the large analog face and bold black numbers provide excellent visibility from across the room, allowing users to check the time quickly without straining their eyes. The automatic time adjustment feature is particularly convenient, eliminating the need to reset the clock after power outages or seasonal time changes. Battery-powered operation makes installation simple, as it can be mounted almost anywhere without requiring electrical outlets or wiring. The brushed silver frame offers a clean, professional appearance that complements both contemporary and traditional decor. Whether it's placed in a kitchen, office, classroom, or living room, the clock delivers reliable, maintenance-free performance while helping ensure you always have the correct time. Overall, the Sharp 12-inch atomic wall clock is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a highly accurate, self-setting wall clock that combines dependable performance with a clean, timeless design. Number 4. Bernhard Products Black Wall Clock Silent Non-Ticking XL 18-inch Quality Quartz Battery-Operated Round Easy-to-Read Home Office Classroom School Clock. The Bernhard Products 18-inch silent wall clock is a large, easy-to-read wall clock built for homes, schools, offices, and commercial spaces where visibility and quiet operation are equally important. It's best known for its extra-large 18-inch diameter, silent non-ticking quartz movement, bold high-contrast numbers, and durable round design. The oversized face makes it easy to read from long distances, making it ideal for classrooms, conference rooms, garages, warehouses, waiting rooms, and spacious living areas. In everyday use, the clock's silent sweep movement eliminates the constant ticking noise commonly found in traditional analog clocks, creating a quieter environment for working, studying, teaching, or relaxing. The large black numerals stand out clearly against the white background, making it easy for people of all ages to tell the time at a glance. Battery-powered operation provides flexible placement without requiring power outlets, while the lightweight construction allows for quick and secure wall installation. Its simple black frame blends well with nearly any interior style, whether modern, professional, or traditional. Built with dependable quartz movement, the clock delivers accurate timekeeping while requiring very little maintenance beyond periodic battery replacement. Overall, the Bernhard Products 18-inch silent wall clock is an outstanding choice for American buyers who want a large, reliable, and easy-to-read wall clock that offers quiet operation and dependable performance in both residential and commercial settings. Number 5. Hito 10-inch silent wall clock battery-operated non-ticking glass cover silver aluminum frame for kitchen, bedroom, home office, living room decor. The Hito 10-inch silent wall clock is a stylish and compact timepiece designed for buyers who want dependable timekeeping without distracting ticking sounds. It's best known for its silent non-ticking quartz movement, elegant silver aluminum frame, durable glass cover, and clean, minimalist design. In real-world use, the clock delivers smooth, quiet operation that creates a peaceful environment for sleeping, reading, working, or relaxing. The easy-to-read dial features clear black numbers against a bright background, allowing users to check the time quickly even from across smaller rooms. The protective glass cover helps keep dust away from the clock face while maintaining a polished appearance over time. Its lightweight, battery-operated design makes installation simple, allowing homeowners to mount it almost anywhere without worrying about nearby electrical outlets. The brushed silver aluminum frame adds a modern touch that blends effortlessly with contemporary, minimalist, and traditional home decor. Overall, the Hito 10-inch silent wall clock is an excellent choice for American buyers seeking a compact, quiet, and attractive wall clock that combines reliable quartz accuracy with a sleek design suitable for almost any room in the home. That wraps up my top 5 best wall clock picks. I hope this comparison helped you find a clock that fits your style and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.